Yes, hello friends. Today's our point is classification of organic halide. Now you see the organic compound in which halogen atom is directly attached with carbon atom. These compounds are known as the organic halide. And the organic halide can be classified by two methods. First method in which hybridization is based. Yes, hybridization of carbon atom attached with halogen. जो हेलोजन जिस कार्बन के साथ जोड़ा है उसमें हाइब्रिडेशन कौन सा है, उनके मुताबिक organic halide can be classified in three types. First one, sp3 hybrid carbon attached with halogen atom. Second type of organic halide in which sp2 hybrid carbon attached with halogen atom. Third one, sp hybrid carbon attached with halogen atom. Since carbon possesses three types of hybridization, sp3, sp2 and sp3. That's why halogen जिस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है वो कार्बन में sp3 हाइब्रिडेशन भी हो सकता है, sp2 भी हो सकता है and sp3 भी हो सकता है. Yes, organic halide in which halogen atom attached with carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. They can be classified in three types: alkyl halide, second one benzylic halide, and third one allylic halide. Alkyl halide can be classified in three types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Primary means 1, secondary means 2, tertiary means 3. Now, this classification depends upon the number of other carbon atom attached with carbon having halogen. जिस कार्बन के साथ हेलोजन जुड़ा है उनके साथ अदर कार्बन एटम्स कितने हैं? 1 कार्बन है तो प्राइमरी अल्किल हाइड. यदि 2 कार्बन एटम्स attached with carbon having halogen is known as a secondary alkyl halide, and if 3 carbon atoms attached with carbon having halogen atom is known as a tertiary alkyl halide. Otherwise, these carbons are member of alkyl group. In second way, 1 alkyl group and 2 hydrogen atom. This is known as a primary alkyl halide. This is the illustrations. Yes, this is a R attached with halogen bonded with 2 alkyl group and 1 hydrogen known as secondary alkyl halide. ये कार्बन के साथ 3 alkyl group है तो उसको हम tertiary alkyl halide बोलेंगे. Yes, हमें पकड़ना है हेलोजन किस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है, उनके साथ नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम कितने. हेलोजन इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है, उनके साथ एक ही कार्बन जुड़ा हुआ है तो उसको हम प्राइमरी बोलेंगे. हेलोजन इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़े, उनके साथ 2 कार्बन जुड़ा है तो सेकेंडरी बोलेंगे. हेलोजन इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा, उसके साथ 3 other carbon atoms are attached. That's why it is known as tertiary. In short, you can say if halogen atom attached with primary carbon, that type of alkyl halide known as a primary alkyl halide. If halogen atom attached with secondary carbon is known as a secondary alkyl halide. In tertiary alkyl halide, halogen atom will be attached with tertiary carbon. Second one, benzylic halide, otherwise aryl alkyl halide. Finally, these all are the derivatives of alkyl halide. Yes, if one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by aryl group, they are known as a aryl alkyl halide, otherwise benzylic halide. Yes, as per type of carbon atom, whether it is primary, secondary or tertiary, हेलोजन जिस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है वो कार्बन प्राइमरी है तो उसको प्राइमरी बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड बोलेंगे. इफ हेलोजन इज अटैच्ड विथ सेकेंडरी कार्बन एटम देन they are known as a secondary benzylic halide. If halogen atom is attached with tertiary carbon atom, then easily you can say it is tertiary benzylic halide. You see, this is the illustration of benzylic halide, benzyl chloride, otherwise chlorotoluene बोलेंगे. You can say chlorophenyl methane बोलेंगे. Halogen Cl इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. ये कार्बन प्राइमरी कार्बन है. That's why it is known as a primary benzylic halide. Yes, ये देखो Cl इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. इनके साथ वन ये बेंजीन का 2 कार्बन जुड़े हुए हैं. That's why it is known as a secondary benzylic halide. The halogen atom attached with carbon atom is surrounded by 3 other carbon atoms. That's why it is known as a tertiary benzylic halide. Is allylic halide. Allyl group CH2 double bond CH single open valence. This is vinyl group. And CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2. This is allyl group. Okay. Allyl group के साथ हेलोजन जुड़ा है. ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड को एलाइलिक हैलाइड बोलेंगे. दिस इज एलाइल हैलाइड. हेलोजन जिस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है, दिस कार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद ओनली 1 कार्बन एंड 2 हाइड्रोजन. दिस कार्बन इज नोन एज प्राइमरी कार्बन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज ए प्राइमरी एलाइलिक हैलाइड. Allylic halide in which halogen attached with the secondary carbon, and that type of allylic halide is known as a secondary allyl halide. If the halogen attached with tertiary carbon atom, that type of allylic halides are known as a tertiary allylic halide. Okay. Now, if these all are the ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड इन विच हेलोजन जिस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है वो कार्बन में sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है. सेकेंड क्लास इन विच हेलोजन एटम अटैच विद कार्बन एटम, दैट कार्बन इज sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड. यस, उसमें 2 टाइप है, विनाइल हैलाइड एंड एराइल हैलाइड. विनाइल हैलाइड ये CH2 double bond CH single bond Cl, that is vinyl group. विनाइल ग्रुप के साथ Cl जुड़ा, that's why it is known as a vinyl halide. Yes, ये देखो, this is sigma bond pi sigma on 1 हाइड्रोजन के साथ sigma, that's why this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Second one, aryl halide. This is the chlorobenzene in which इस क्लोरीन इस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा है. यहाँ this carbon is surrounded by 3 sigma. This is also sigma. 3 sigma and 1 pi. 3 sigma. That's why that carbon is also known as a sp2 hybridized. Okay. Last one. Sometimes halogen attached with carbon is sp hybridized. sp hybrid carbon attached to halogen, and इसमें alkynyl halide है. Yes, this is ethynyl chloride. In this illustration, this is sigma bond, ये middle वाला sigma bond, आजू बाजू वाले pi bond. तो carbon attached with halogen is sp2 hybridized because this carbon is surrounded by 2 sigma bonds. As per number of sigma bond, you can determine the type of hybridization. If carbon is surrounded by 4 sigma bond, then you can say this carbon is sp3 hybridized. If carbon is surrounded by 3 sigma bond, you can say that carbon is sp2 hybridized. If carbon atom is surrounded by 2 sigma bond, we can say that carbon is sp hybridized. ओके शर्मिला, सोरा खत्म करें. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे. We will try to understand the classification of organic halide as per number of halogen atom. Okay, thank you very much.